So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can swipe or go back on your iPhone. Well, this video is for those who are using iPhone for the very first time. So iPhone has the gesture to go back, open recent menu or open the home screen. So iPhone has the swipe gesture to go back to the previous screen. So let's see how this works. For this, let's open the settings app. Now let's open general. And then let's go to iPhone storage. Now there are two ways to go back to the previous screen. First up, you can use this back button. Tap on back here and this will take you to the previous screen. Tap here again and this will take you to the previous screen again. Now there's one more way and this uses swipe gesture. For this, let's open general and then let's open iPhone storage. Now to go back, swipe from here, like this, and this will go back. Let's try it again. Swipe from here, and this will go back. Now you will have to practice it a few times, and then you will know how to go back. So this is how you can go back or swipe on iPhone. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.